Hi, let's learn more about ProtectIQ Cybersecurity. Enhanced cybersecurity helps you by providing malicious website protection, antivirus and anti-ransomware packet inspection, and intrusion detection. Suspicious traffic is automatically blocked. Contact us if you would like to sign up for enhanced cybersecurity. To access ProtectIQ, tap the ProtectIQ tile from the home screen, or you can tap the services icon in the bottom menu bar and then select ProtectIQ. ProtectIQ defends your network from cyber threats like viruses and ransomware. Once inside ProtectIQ, you can manage Trusted List, skip devices, and intrusion settings. You can review and remove any content in your Trusted List. If you do not want to protect specific devices, you can add them to skip devices. ProtectIQ includes additional intrusion prevention settings, IPS protocol anomaly, looks for unusual network activity, and blocks that specific traffic. IPS port scan defense detects external attackers scanning the system for open ports to exploit and blocks their IP address. Enjoy your Wi-Fi.